Bikaji Foods is the other stock that we're looking at this morning. Q3 was a good quarter for them year on year. The growth was led by the packaged sweets business due to a shift in the festive season. The company's COO, Manoj Verma, and the CFO, Rishabh, Jain join us now to discuss their Q3 performance. Gentlemen, morning to both of you, and thank you for being with us on the channel. Manoj, I want to start with you because, overall, you had targeted for the full year, FY24, your volume growth would be at 18%. And in 9 months, your overall volume growth is already almost 17%. So would you want to scale up your full year volume guidance? If yes, how much do you think you can do? And what's your early estimate of what FY25 volume growth could look like?
Good morning, everyone, and thanks for the opportunity again. Yes, indeed, this quarter has gone very well for us. Now, if you look at in terms of volume growth, has been ever highest volume growth, which is a number of 29.5%. Well, in terms of outlook for the year, if I was to say for what we said, we will stay now around it. Quarter 3 is very, very high for us because of, as we said, that there's a shift of Diwali and gifting sweets did extremely well for us. So which has brought in huge contribution to it. But yes, the year will end around the numbers what we spoke about. Talking about next year's number, now if we were to look at, so we would look at say around 18 plus minus % volume growth next year as well.
Okay, so you're saying FY24 also you'll stick to 18% and FY25 as well you're looking at 18% growth. Got it. Just one follow-up there.
18 plus minus, yeah.
18 plus or minus, okay.
Yeah.
Which is the segment where you're seeing this quarter, of course, packaged sweets has done very well because of the shift that we've seen in festive season. But between ethnic snacks, packaged sweets, Western snacks, which is the segment that is growing the fastest and where, expectation is that growth will pick up?
See, gifting and sweets is basically, more dependent on the Diwali and festive around, right? Howsoever, we don't miss opportunity on these categories. But the core to us is our ethnic snacks. And that's where if you look at even in this quarter, the volume growth has been 19%, which is extremely, extremely good. And a value growth of 15.4%.
All right. Hi, good morning, gentlemen, and good to see you all in. What about margin guidance from here on? Is the best of, the lower raw material cost already in the price, or do you all think there's more to come?
Thank you very much for taking us. So basically, from bottom line perspective, we are on track for this year margin profile, and that's what we targeted early year and budgeted is we will be at close 13% type of EBITDA. And this quarter normally you will see in second, third quarter our ad cost spend go very high. Normally 70% of overall year spend goes in these 2 quarters. So normally, and also there are few raw material which price has been increased like chana dal and everything, which has impacted us close to 0.6-0.7% in gross margin. But overall, we are on track and we'll be on a margin profile. That's what we're targeting.
So margins will be approximately this 13 to 15%. Could you give us a number? EBITDA margins, Rishabh?
Yeah, so from EBITDA perspective, at a full year level, we'll be upward of 13%.
Upward of?
13%.
13%. Got that. Also, you had commissioned this new facility, frozen facility in December. That was as per plan. It has a huge scope in terms of revenue out there, revenue potential. Could you tell us utilization levels? How does it move from here on?
So basically, in next 2 quarters, so of course, it's as per plan, we have installed the capacity, and in next 2 quarters, we'll do lot of new product innovation in that plant because frozen and new capacity which we have built in. But yeah, this can bring a good revenue in next 2.5, 3 years. So it can be a potential of plus 200 crore of revenue in next 3 years.
Okay, gentlemen, hi, morning. Prashant here. Actually, one big lever for you is, your distribution, right? How many outlets do you have and direct outlets and where all you are present? That'll do the trick. The product, I don't think needs much pushing in that sense. So just give us a sense, Rishabh, in terms of just the overall touch points, direct distribution, what's the aim?
Yeah, so basically, from direct distribution perspective, currently we are close to 2.5 lakh outlet type of thing. Our target is to be at close to 3.5 lakh outlet in next 2 years. And our total reach is around 10 lakh outlets what we have as of now, but our target is to be around 12.5 lakh outlet in next 2 years. it's important thing, and that's what we are focusing on. We have built a lot of we have built a team in last 1.5 years, added more than 300 plus sales team in our overall strength, total team strength. So that's where we are focusing on. Largely, our 70% revenue comes from 3 states, Assam and Bihar, and that's where there's a lot of scope in core state as well as a lot of scope in our focus state. That's where we are focusing on.
So when we say direct distribution, Rishabh, that means outlets, own outlets?
Yeah, no, not own outlet, but yeah, that's where our own sales team goes and visit the outlet. That's long connectivity in our own DMS.
Okay. Just two quick questions before we run out of time. One, if you can tell me, what is your current market share, Rishabh, in the core markets that you are in, and has it gone up since the last time we spoke?
Yeah. So overall, from core market, our average business share is close to 43-44%. Where in Assam we have plus 55%, in Rajasthan we have 47-48%. So, but yeah, of course we have grown in our business share compared to last time in last 1 year.
Okay, so 43-44% core market share is what you said, right? And can you tell me what is the scalability that you're seeing in the recent acquisition you made of Bhujia Lalji? What is the expectation of growth there?
So Bhujia Lalji, so it's a small company and it's a big scope to grow. Our target is to be this company can become 100 crore top line company in next 3.5 years. That's what we're targeting on.
Okay, gentlemen, thanks a lot for that. Next time, maybe we can focus on the export market. Why should we just enjoy crunching all the snacks out? Yeah, thanks so much and appreciate you joining in. For the time